Welcome to our video series on unmanned aerial systems, or UAS, and how they're fueling growth in the geospatial and inspection infrastructure markets. At SAM, we embrace the power of technology to revolutionize aerial mapping and surveying. Our commitment to innovation led us to be early adopters of UAS technology from its inception in the commercial market. To keep safety and efficiency at the forefront, we cultivate a safety-focused aviation culture dedicated to small, remote, unmanned aircraft. These foundational UAS safety principles are pillars of our unmanned aviation experience. Our unmanned aerial platforms carry various sensor payloads, including high-resolution cameras, thermal imaging, video, LiDAR, and oblique cameras. This allows us to gather geo-referenced spatial data with extraordinary speed and efficiency, even in the most difficult-to-access areas. With our fleet of aircraft, we can rapidly deploy anywhere in the nation, while our regionally distributed field resources reduce mobilization costs. SAM crews are Federal Aviation Administration (FAA) approved, and our Part 107 certified airmen hold remote pilot certificates. With thousands of flying hours and hundreds of miles collected, SAM has proven experience in various markets nationwide, including utilities, transportation, energy infrastructure, and natural and cultural environments. Our expert flight crews include licensed pilots, trained flight observers, and geospatial support staff specializing in spatial data processing, remote sensing, and inspection services. UAS aren't our only tools. We evaluate if UAS are suitable based on site location and conditions, airspace restrictions, delivery products, and their intended use to ensure utilization of this advanced technology is the best suited for the job. From the busiest urban environments to remote rural locations, SAM has an excellent track record of meeting requirements for safe UAS operations. We offer guidance and consultation throughout the process to help you maximize UAS technology for your specific needs. SAM operates a fleet of the most advanced unmanned aircraft, capable of carrying multiple sensors for a variety of remote sensing purposes. Equipped with the latest LiDAR and imaging technologies, our fleet produces high-resolution, broad field-of-view results. Our systems can handle long-endurance flight times and heavy lift payloads, and we can deploy multiple crews for larger projects. A 2- or 3-person crew operates every flight and can be managed by a mobile command center for a longer-range line of sight. Our field-to-office workflow, powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning software, ensures quick and efficient spatial data inspection, analysis, and reporting. SAM's licensed UAS professionals are fully insured, and our aviation safety management system adheres to FAA requirements. We perform risk analysis and assessments on every project to improve our UAS operations and ensure safe and efficient flights. We use encryption and redundant subsystems to protect your data, preventing piracy and keeping your spatial data secure. Our teams are trained to take immediate control of the aircraft in case of external disruption or interference during autonomous acquisitions. At SAM, our UAS services cover a wide range of applications, including topographic, planimetric, inspection, as-built surveys, orthophotos, volumetrics, and GIS base mapping. SAM is advancing spatial data, analysis, and predictive analytics to provide the safest, most cost-efficient infrastructure development and offerings for its clients. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of unmanned aerial systems. Contact us to discover how SAM's expertise and innovative UAS approach can benefit your projects.